rostrum. Yeah, it's like this thing.
Okay.
Nair slit on either side of the ventral surface. These? Okay. Nairs.
I've actually done like
Get out of here.
Ampullae of Lorenzi. Small holes.
they're like these little no sorry so these yeah these right here, all these little like blackhead looking things.
Are those like the sensors? I guess like the little. Oh my god.
No, like you see like here, all these, if you look closely, the skin, it's got like black dots. That's the ampullae.
Oh my god, he feels rough.
Oh, yeah.
It's like sandpaper.
When you go down, it's smooth, and when you go up, it's
It's rough. Yeah.
so just like both in a general area.
I should probably be crossing these off.
Oh, I see the spines. I don't know what they were talking about.
Yeah, they're venomous apparently. Yeah.
Where?
These things right here.
Where are they?
No, these are
Oh,
on the.
They're by the fins. They're by the fins.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, I was gonna say, how are we gonna get the spirocells?
Yeah, never mind.
Because it's posterior to the.
This
eye.
one definitely looks a little bit more graphic.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's with their like unnecessary like red?
I think it's the way how we got the chemicals on it.
Oh, it's on my lab coat. Okay.
Ha 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 ha.
It's very cool. So I guess just do the same thing you did with the rostrum.
Wait, let me just see something.
Is that not its blood
Oh,
or veins?
spirocell. Okay.
I'm
yeah, it's
pretty sure those
supposed
are
to
like
be
the
next to
veins.
eyes. Right here.
The spiracles?
Here.
That's it.
Oh, it came off.
Got it. Oof.
Mouth.
That should be easy.
So cute.
Eat
I wonder
your.
if you can get it to open.
Oh, my bad.
Gill slits.
Found 5 on each side of the head directly. Okay, gills. I'm just gonna.
Careful, don't. Careful because of the spines. Yeah.
Okay, they may have cut the gills.
Yeah.
They may have honestly cut at the gills. Oh, wait, no. Here.
I saw the little eye.
I just got confused with the wrinkles.
The wrinkles.
Okay.
Oh god, this one looks so much more weirder.
Oh, so we still need to line running around the lateral towards the dorsal cervix.
So it's above. Yeah.
It should be like, can't see it too well on this side.
I think it goes to like.
Here, you can kind of. This is like the lateral line.
Oh my god.
I can't get a picture of that one.
I'm sorry.
So like this.
Okay.
Pectoral fins are these?
Yes. No, pectoral would be these guys.
Yep, it's the fins behind the gills.
Where their pecs are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anterior dorsal. So it's
Black these boys out. Wait, just
Wait.
it's at the top.
No, that's a pelvic fin.
So yeah, it's at the top. Sorry, it's the top front one, right?
Yeah.
Where's the top?
Okay, hold
I'm like trying to be careful with this thing.
That one?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
Posterior dorsal fin. So this one.
Should we take a skin sample and then start cleaning up? Or?
Cool. And then now we need to do the internal.
Oh, finally. Okay. Let's open you right back up. Sorry about that.
Oof.
Sorry.
Or ma'am.
These are flat filamentous arches located on either side of the heart. What's happening? Alright.
Oh, they're having fun with our little hagfish. Okay.
The poor hagfish.
Where?
Gills. So the gills should be on either side of the heart.
What? Where's the heart?
That's what I'm trying to.
Heart is probably in here somewhere.
Wait, we're still going in order, right?
Yeah.
The gills?
We already did gills. We're doing
No, it's gills now.
Oh.
The gills. Yeah. That was gill slits.
Oh, the
Oh,
slits,
just
the
the
inter.
gill slits? Okay. So, should be able to like. Thing is, okay, this is like the gill slits, so it should be
When
right.
you open it up.
Okay, wait. Perhaps right here. I think
Looks like
yeah.
it, yep.
There you go.
Heart. The two-chambered. Well, there's the H one.
Just posterior. So this is the heart.
Just posterior. Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah. Or this.
that looks so
thing
weird.
behind it. Does it say if there's something in front of it?
I think this whole thing, right?
Yeah, because that's what we're kind of poking at right now.
Isn't the atrium part of the heart?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
The ventricle and the atrium.
Yeah, both of them.
Okay, so yeah, this is the heart.
That
I
is
still
the
see
heart.
the two chambers, but
Ew.
I guess.
So
One's bigger
weird.
than the other.
Gross.
All right, liver. The long liver has 3 lobes. Right, it's the huge.
This thing?
It's that big dark green
We
thingy.
got 2.
Ooh.
What does it
Yeah,
say
it should
here?
be that.
Yeah, right lobe of liver for left lobe. So yeah.
Those
Oh,
are
there's
the.
like an extra one in the middle, and that's the 3.
Does it have claspers? Does it have
The
Oh my God,
clasper.
I poked into the liver a little bit. Hello, anybody in there?
Okay, and then we have the stomach. Wide.
Ooh.
2 beneath the medium lobe. The medium lobe would be somewhere in the medium, wide 2. This is the stomach.
Maybe.
Stomach.
The pancreas.
It's right here.
Yeah, so this.
That's what we're going for?
Yeah, because then this is where the intestine comes out, and then it comes over here. The same way you see like that thing come out.
Okay, so
So, stomach.
Oh, wait, don't
Sorry.
move it.
Oh god.
Next.
Spiral valve. Within the ileum, which is usually found just anterior to the pelvic fins. So a little bit.
Oh, here, spiral valve. So it's this.
Oh, that is so weird. Oh my god.
I didn't cut it. It came out like that.
Is that it?
I don't know. I'm gonna be real.
I wanna. How does it feel?
This is what it just looks like this. But
Yeah, that's the thing.
are you guys? How many fish do you have left?
We need to do it for a pinch. Okay.
It looks so weird.
So,
Is it that thing? What is that? I
I
feel
don't
it.
know. But I don't know if that's it. Trying to figure it out.
Is this the spiral valve of it? Wait.
What that they cut open?
There's.
This is yours, right?
No.
No. Okay, that just came out.
Yeah, I know that came out. The spiral thing, we actually opened it up.
Okay.
It's in here.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Okay.
all that. It's actually, if you open this right here, it's where all those velvets are right there.
Okay. So I'm just gonna try to. Wait. There you go.
This is
Wait. There.
labs.
Spiral valve. Next.
I think that's it.
Hey.
Or the perch. Yeah.
What about like this and this and this?
Hooray
What is
perches.
this thing? What is? Well, this is just the ass, right?
That's probably the
Yeah,
anal
this is the
like the
anus.
anal cavity and the claspers, pretty much probably.
What